Welcome everyone. So let's start our pre-market update and preparation for those heavily squeezed stock. We got MGM last Friday or yesterday we did 160%. MSGM still pumping 700% and now almost 200%. Where are we gonna go? Where are we gonna go for MSGM? See this chart? This is unrealistic, man. This is unrealistic price action. We're gonna discuss if there a potential profit or we already missed the rocket up. But I believe there is always opportunity in the market. So we're gonna discuss the price action for MSGM and we're gonna watch it closely when the market open. And we got AI 21% up, 63 million, and I think one of the top volume gainer. After that we got MGM almost 76 million. Welcome everyone. So we're already preparing for the market. We have our strategy set. We already did watch lists for those stocks for the entry and exit and everything on our watch list, Jesus watch list. And we got a great question right now from one of a new member. Let me just see. Yeah, Knoxville. So your question that regarding the star like Naeem and LG have. So in order to get the star here and YouTube, you have to be a member on YouTube channel. You see it here, the join button. Let me just show you if we go on YouTube. It's pretty simple. Let me just go on our channel. And you see the join button here. So this is give you the star as you can hear. You see that we have members. Those members actually join our membership on YouTube, and you can join whatever level you want. Okay, we have Hunter, Disciplined Hunter, and Mighty Hunter. So for the Hunter, you could actually give you can actually get the star, and you see here the blue is mean you are with us 1 month. The other one is just 2 months. And the red one almost 1 year. So I can see which one of our current member who's the early supporter. Okay, so the color will tell me everything about the membership here, and I actually could spot the member and our elite hunter here on our live streaming. So to answer your question, you can actually join us here on YouTube in order to get the star, and you're already in our Patreon. So you already have access to our pre-market update and watch list. So you can actually join here for the just first level, okay? The first level, you can actually get the star, and will be easier for me to spot you on the live streaming and answer your question. So what's going on? We have a huge list and green day yesterday. If UBO, I'm still watching. Zoomedica, I'm still watching as well. There's a potential gap for today. Let me just check something. Let me just check Zoomedica if it's pumping in pre-market. All right, 27.90. Yesterday we did almost 9%. Let me just check the other one, MULN, because when we have potential squeeze. 33.90. Okay. Still gravitating down a bit. Yesterday we have a test and rejection. You see here. So the 36 cents should be an interesting level to break for MULN. We have to watch out for it. Good morning everyone, or good evening, or good afternoon, whatever you're watching. Welcome. We do always live streaming. For this year, change in game plan. Before we do live streaming each Friday. Now we do it each day on our YouTube pre-market around the 3 p.m. CET. Thank you, Goku. Thank you. Hit the like button on the way in. That's right. George, welcome, brother, welcome. Mary, all the elite hunters here. I see many stars. I see many stars in our live streaming. This is good. You know, the goal for this year, we need to have all the live chat here, all stars, okay? Goku, you're missing a star, brother. You're missing your star. I think you are the first one have the star because the star look like Dragon Ball, you know? You should have 3 stars or 6 stars beside your name. Will be perfect. Goku and the Dragon Ball beside your name. Good morning, Alan. Good morning. Queen, Ahmed. Okay, everybody is here. Great. So we have many lists to watch. Some stocks have potential to squeeze, but got shorted, like AMC, MULN. Yesterday we have an interesting test for all of them. Like AMC, you see here, we have a massive test for AMC around this level. We have 4 tests and the price always gets rejected. So we watching AMC. MULN still have potential to jump. You know why? Because we have a bounce from this AMA. So we got huge loading up. Someone loading up for MULN after this huge pump you see here. A huge pump for MULN. The other thing that got me interested in for MULN is the 36. We have 3 tests for MULN and there's a potential pump for today. Matching for this level around the 39 and 40. 39 and 40 should be profit taken after we jump from the 36. We watching MULN for potential red to green when the market open. We might have red to green. Let me just check how much we missing. We missing another 5%, yeah, or 6% to have a squeeze. Zoomedica looking great. Zoomedica looking great. Potential pump when the market open. ABCX going toward the $4, great. Let me just check who's the top volume gainer. Who's the top volume gainer? MGAM, yeah, top volume gainer. MGAM, 60% in pre-market. MGAM. Yeah, we have a huge pump for the stock. Look, last, the end of last month. Man, we got a huge bump, almost 400% in one day. Yeah, in just one day. Wow, this one was crazy pumping. 161, yeah, 161. And now it's still holding. Let me just check the other one. We got Exilla, 12 million pre-market, but it's gravitating down. Exilla still gravitating down. As we said, there's a potential squeeze in this circle, but the price is still continuing to go down. It's looking dicey. EBET. Okay, 62%. Volume is good. Okay, this one looking good. Let me just check. Barcoding. We have earning after just 1 week from now. Yesterday we did 25% and today 58% in the pre-market. Looking interesting. This one looking interesting. We might have another one can pump over 200% or 100%, let's say. $1.83 maybe. So we have a profit taken for this one around this level. Let me just check. So support $1.83, we got rejected there. Interesting. So we have a catalyst. Yeah, this one have a catalyst. That's why it's still pumping. Let's see if we could actually hold. Already pumped until there. Interesting. Could we go to the $4 for this one? Maybe $4. Okay, let me just change this. Okay, we might have potential breakout around this level. Yeah. Ultimate price target for this one around the $4 if the catalyst is still strong. We'll see what's gonna happen with this one. A conjunction area, potential another pump when the market open, because we already pumped almost 60%. Let me just check how much we gave up. Almost 40%. So the pre-market was pumping, then dumping again. Let me just check the other one, MULN. Okay, volume is really huge, 4 million. Okay, MULN, I think red to green now. Let me just refresh this. Okay. BZFD coming back. BZFD coming back. Breaking in new high now. We might have a breakout. Looking interesting. BZFD coming back. Everybody remember this one we hunted before and jumped almost 300%. We got rejected around the $4. Price went down until the 2. Now we have a possible reversal. You see here we have a bounce from our EMA and breaking from this channel. So there is a possible reversal for this stock. I'm watching closely. And again, let me just show you what's gonna happen. We're gonna have something really interesting if we broke this level, the $3. So the $3 really important level, and this should be the profit taken, and that should be as well profit taken. BZFD potential trade. Let me just put my alert around the $3.02. BZFD, we might have a great trade here. BZFD. Perfect. Oil. Oh, marine coming up. Marine coming up in the picture. We have MITQ, SPIT, a bit cheap. Okay, marine coming in the business. We talked about marine before. It's been trending down before. You see, we have a huge short open since last year, I think, or 2021, when all the stock got shorted. And we went from the 27 and we went below the $1. Imagine, this is really crazy. From the 27 until the $1. Oh boy, this is really scary. So sometimes it's not wise to average down. You see, if you average down, even if you go to the bank and printed money, you're gonna be losing money. You see, you average down to 27 until the $1. This is crazy. So you have to be strategic. Know when you stop averaging down and exit from the trade. So this is really risky. And we already talked about before, we didn't hold this level around $5 and we broke this level. So this was first signal for bearish momentum after the huge dump. But now is kind of started to reverse. There's something gonna happen. We need to hold a new level for it, $1.40. We might have a great test for this one for today around the $1.59 and the $1.80. So this one might be a trade, a good trade. Yeah, we already tested this level, the profit taken, $1.59. So Marine is on the move. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna have an alert around the breakout zone, possible trade, support, profit taken. Perfect. We have another stock to watch. Marine, BZFD, MGAM, RNAZ, testing our support. MSGM. Oh man, this is about to dump down. This is about to dump down. This is it, man. This is it. I think it's gonna dump down. This is it. This is it. We're gonna have a reversal. We're ready, prepared for it. We're ready, prepared for the reversal. Let's see if we're gonna have a reversal before the market open. Okay, we got 10 minutes left. 10 minutes left. There's something huge about to happen. Something huge about to happen for MSGM. Oh man, I'm gonna be ready from up or down. Wherever the price go, we'll actually be ready to hunt it. So you're not gonna escape from us. Let me just put this there for potential pump. 64. Let's say $65. We might have a squeeze. Okay, AI is going down. GNS, potential break as well for GNS. GNS, there's a potential squeeze as well. I'm watching GNS. So you know what I'm gonna do? I put MSGM first, GNS second. Possible trade, okay? BZFD, maybe. Marine. Okay, put Marine third. AI is kind of holding. So AI, okay. RNAZ maybe is done. BZFD. Okay, so we have kind of 2 on the watch, or almost 3. Yeah, 3, and the other 4 is hard maybe, but we already have alert for them. Welcome for the new member on our membership channel here on YouTube. Zakaria, welcome Zakaria to our 100 tribe. You got the blue star, so we know that you just joined. Okay, you see here we have LJ is kind of orange, so you see that he's an older, almost 3 months or 4 months. He's been on our being a member on our YouTube channel, so I can know who's been one of the earliest supporter. So welcome Zakaria to our elite hunters here on YouTube. Welcome, brother. Okay, let me just check. Before I forget, come on guys, we have 88 viewers and just 34 likes. Come on, let's us even this out. Let's make it 80 at least, 80 likes before the market open. We got 8 minutes left before the market open. Let's make this likes over the 80 likes. Come on, we can do this. And remember, we do always live streaming around 3 p.m. You see here, 3 p.m. CET or 9 a.m. Eastern time each day to prepare for the market before it opens. So let's get ready to hunt. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, we have this. We already talked about GNS, AAI. So this is the watch list for today. Let me just check MURN before the market open if there's a potential. Okay, going up a bit. We might see a green when the market open. So let's go, guys. Let's go. 8 minutes left. 8 minutes left. Explore Spain. Good morning, brother. You are my neighbor. You are my neighbor. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. We have many people from Europe. This is great. But always America win, man. The top trader are in America, United States. Top traders. Okay. It's funny because usually here in Europe, people are relaxed. They don't invest. They just take money and just like use it right away. They buy wine and they just enjoy their life. You know, here in Europe it's tranquil. In the United States is like there is hard working. People try to be millionaires and always investing and hustling. That's what I like. You know, it's not relaxing, but always shooting for the best and never being satisfied. But usually you have to have one day to be grateful. You know, if you don't be grateful in just one day for what you have, you be miserable. So you have to have a balance. You know, you have to shoot for the best and challenge yourself to have more money and invest. However, you have to give at the same time, be grateful. So you have to have a balance. This is my opinion. Wine and cheese, man. Wine and cheese. That's why I love France, man. Cheese is the best. I don't drink alcohol, but yeah, cheese is the best. The baguette and the food here is crazy good, man. This is life. This is life. Food is number one. Welcome, everybody. Welcome. Portugal. Yeah, we have Portugal. We have Spain, Germany, Netherlands, Belgium. Everybody from Europe. Okay, we have alert. MSGM is breaking. Oh man, shorted MSGM. We said that there's a huge thing happening for MSGM. Okay, we bought back around our box. As we said, this is the reversal area for MSGM. Get reversal. Get break out from our flag. As we said, there's something cooking. There's something cooking for MSGM. Got shorted. As we said, if we broke this flag, we're gonna have a huge buying pressure up. If we broke it from below, we're gonna have filling this box exactly right around our box that we discussed it before the market open on Jesus watch list. We said the 28 and the 33 should be a support. Right now, when the market open, we're gonna have a huge reversal. We're gonna have a hold up. You see this test around this AMA, should be the support. Otherwise, we're gonna have a huge sell-off. Let's see what's gonna happen. We're gonna have a sell-off before the market open. We just have 4 minutes left. 4 minutes left. We're gonna have a test and hold up. Should be a wick. This is it, man. Should be a reversal. Should be a reversal and go and test the 46 when the market open. Otherwise, we're gonna have a huge sell-off. Just watch out. I'm watching right now closely what's gonna happen for MSGM for the watch list when the market open, because this is really interesting play. If we hold above this AMA, we're gonna have a reversal, a huge reversal. Let me just check how much we can actually make. We can make actually 50% easily here if we just hold this level when the market open. This is a test. Let me just go in smaller picture. Okay, there's someone buying this dip. I would have actually liked to catch this dip when the market open, man. Now we're gonna have the reversal before the market open. You see, we're gonna have a huge buying pressure and going higher again now. Oh man, I don't like this. I don't like this. We're already reversed right now. Someone buying this dip before the market open. 3 minutes left. we're gonna have a hold up here. This is it. This is the support. This is the support. We broke from the flag and the price went down. We don't even test this support. You see here? No test. That's why we have a huge sell-on pressure. Now we might have a break. Let's see. Before the market open, if we broke this level around the 27, we're gonna have a dip until the 18. Really flush. We're gonna have a huge flush. If we just broke the $27, we're gonna have a flush. Let's see. We're still holding. 3 minutes left. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Just remember that day trading is risky. A lot of people or new trader lose money each day. So invest wisely, trade wisely. Don't risk money that you're willing to lose. And don't follow me blindly. Okay, I'm not financial advisor, and this is really important to know. Day trading is risky. Let's go, guys. And you see it here. It's what happened for MSGM. If you don't take profit, you see what happened. The price went down 50% in just a span of less than 1 minute. Less than 1 minute. We dipped 50%. This is risk. The risk is real. Okay, you can make 500%, 100% in 1 day, but you can lose 50% in just 1 minute. That's why we suggest always take a profit here. Always take a profit. Okay, we're breaking the 26. Okay, 26.50. We're gonna have a flush now. When the market open, we're gonna have a flush now, around the 18 now. The next support is the 18. Okay, let me just take this off and put this there. Okay, we're gonna have a flush. MSGM flushing down. If MSGM is gonna flush, MSGM is gonna flush toward the 18. Okay, this is not good. This is not good. And I'm opening the market. I don't like it. Now is risky. I don't want to buy the dip even. This is really risky. The short came in heavily for this stock. Okay. What's gonna happen now? This is really crazy. What's going on? Okay. Let me just put this there. Okay. So now change the support around this level. We're gonna have the test around this purple box, around this 15 and the 18. Okay, so the 18 and the 16 should be the reversal area when the market open. Here we're gonna have a reversal. Let's check. Here we're gonna have a reversal, continuation to have accumulation, then continue to go higher to test this resistance. So the 2760 is the resistance. Let me just put this there. Okay, the market open. Let's go, guys. Let's go. MSGM got shorted. Okay, from this flag, as we said, there's something about to happen for MSGM, and the price didn't hold this support. Let me just put another alert for the 28 for potential gap up. Okay, perfect. Let me just go GNS getting shorted. Marine getting shorted. Okay. So let me just take this. AI is still holding. BZFD is getting shorted as well. Okay, so the market is shorting right now. RNAZ, don't like it. MGAM. Okay, this is might be good. AI is still good. GNS is still good. SGM is not good. Let me just put MULN, BBY, see if we got something. MULN getting shorted as well. BBY is still holding. Let me just put the alert here. So MULN, we should, BBY, we should hold at $2.60 to have a test again for this level, the $3.27. So this is the support. And now we have a bit of reversal. MULN, what's going on? We have $1.60. Okay, interesting. So what's gonna be for MULN? As we said, the 36 is the breakout zone. Let me just put this here, 33 cents. Okay, we pumping. MULN, red to green. Let's see if we're gonna have a green. BBY is pumping as well. MGAM is pumping from the support. Possible breakout around the $5. AI getting shorted. As we said, the 2121 is the breakout zone. It's not good entry now. We have to break the 2121 in order to have profit taken on the 23. Let me just take it from the list. GNS, we have a flag. As we said, we need a break for the $5.74 to have a potential trade. Now is not good. Okay, MSGM, red to green. MSGM now is kind of risky, okay, because we don't hold this level of support. Let me just check. Boom. Okay, now it's really risky. Let me just see if we might have a reversal now. Boom. GNS. Okay, MULN is pumping. MULN looking really good. We bounced from our MA. We need to hold this bounce that we did in the pre-market. This is really good above the 33 to have a continuation toward the 36. This will be really great beginning for MULN pump. I already put my alert below to watch what's gonna happen. MSGM is really risky, guys. Really risky right now. After this dump down, I don't like it. And breaking even our support at 2760. I'm watching now. GNS. So we got MGAM potential trade and MULN. So MULN still struggling. What a day, what a day. Yeah, MSGN halted. Yeah, USA always on the top. Okay. Zakaria, FAZE. Yeah, MSGM got halted, guys. Got halted. So it got halted up actually. So we have this red green candle and halted exactly around our support, the 2763. So the plan right now for MSGM, if we halted and we actually unhalted above this support, we're gonna have a pump, okay? We're gonna have a huge pump for this stock. Let me just put it there. We might see a test for the 45. So this will be another pump until the 45. So the 45 is the current resistance. If we unhalted above the 2760, because we halted just right below it. So let's see what's gonna happen after unhalting. Let me just put the alert there. Yeah, around this area, potential squeeze again. And potential continuation for this support. So if we got rejected, we're gonna have this reaction going down and then find the support around the 16 and the 18 for MSGM after we actually got shorted, as we said, from this flag. If we broke it from above, we're gonna see the 87, but we didn't. We broke it from below and we went directly toward our support, as we said, the 27. GNS is still inside this flag. I'm watching. I have an alert from down and from below. MGAM have potential to pump if we break the 5. MULN got shorted. MULN got shorted once again. Let me just put it there around this support, 3150 as the bottom and support. Breakout 36. So I will take is not ready. MULN is not ready now. We'll watch MGM and GNS and MSGM. Potential trade for today. Let me just go to check the other stock. Oh, Zomedica is still holding 1%. Zomedica, we got HGEN. It's a red day today. The market open huge down, like a huge short open for the whole market. Let me just check Tesla. Okay, Tesla still struggling below this purple box, as we said, the rejection area. So yeah, we might have a really good pump if we overcome this purple box. Nvidia, we test the 204, which is a potential resistant and breakout zone for the bullish momentum. So Nvidia looking really great for potential bullish momentum change. Boom. So you see here we have a bearish channel and we escaped from it around 15th of November, and the price continued to go higher. So now this will be an entry for a bullish momentum, an all-time high for Nvidia around over the 360. So this will be a turning point for Nvidia. Nvidia looking good, AMD looking good as well. So semiconductors looking really great for a potential bullish year, for my opinion. For AMD is a bit far. Let me just check. Okay, we might have a runner. Okay, potential profit taking around the 85 for AMD, and of course around the 99 before the 100. AMD looking pretty nice, 5%. We got 5%. You know why? Because earnings, man. We got great earning yesterday. So AMD looking great. AMD looking great because will happen the same reaction as for Tesla. After the AMD, we have a huge pump. So AMD looking really great. AMD, we might see a continuation. We might see a continuation for this. Let's see. AMD and the move. AMD gonna test the 85, guys. We have a huge pump. A huge pump. Now, if we just overcome this AMA, man, it will be really great. Around the 80. So if we saw the 80, we might have a continuation toward this 85. Let me just check how much we can actually do until the 85. Another 6%. So there's a potential 6% for AMD trade. We just spotted this trade right now. AMD on the move. Okay, this one is kind of safe trade, okay? Not volatile, but not risky. Because we got great earnings for AMD. So AMD actually driven by not FOMO buying, but market maker buying, because we got really great earnings, like what happened for Tesla when we got the earnings. So AMD, we might see over 10% today, around the 85, 6% up now. AMD looking good. Bless the like button and the way in. We always do live streaming around 3 p.m. CET or 9 a.m. Eastern time if you live in America to discuss all the requested stock and the stock have potential to squeeze and the stock on our watch list. We discussed today before the market opened this stock MSGM, and we said this stock have something to like it's about to like a huge volatility about to happen. Now it's about to have a pump. Oh man, this one is pumping now. We are unhalted and bumping up. Okay, 45 is the rejection area. 45 is the rejection area. It's pumping. MSGM is pumping. Potential jump until the 45. After this, a huge selling pressure opened before the market opened. What's gonna happen? Let me just go in smaller picture. A huge short open. Let me just see if we broke again this level. We're gonna have the filling for this box between the 15 and the 18. This is it. This is it. I think we are halted again. Yeah, we are halted again down. Oh man, what a roller coaster ride. We see we have halt up and the price bump up, then hold down, and then now the price will go down. Now the price will go down really heavily. This is really risky, guys. Really risky. You don't have any time to trade this one. You don't have time. Simply, you don't have time. Okay, let me just check EBET. EBET. Okay, let me just check this one. 99%. 99% around the $1.90. Okay, we have potential trade for this one around the $2.17. We already did the chart analysis for it. Let me just check if we have another bottom around this area. What's gonna happen? This one is tricky, man. Let me just check. $1.70 and breakout zone. I think we already have alert for it. No, so put it around the $2.17 or $2.18 for a breakout. Okay, this one profit taken around the $2.62. First profit taken. Let me just check how much we can do from there. Yeah, 18%. So this one looking good. Now MGM getting shorted once again. GNS, no. MSGM, okay, still halted down. EBET is about to bump. EBET. We have earnings just after 7 days from now. Okay, wow, we got halted up. No, we're still pumping. Okay, EBET pumped over our breakout zone, $2.17. Going toward the $2.62. I think we are halted right now, officially, yeah. After we did over 10% up, yeah. EBT on the move, EBET. Let me just check. TNXP, 8%. No, it's not pumping, man. It's not pumping. Volume is really light. EBET is pumping, guys. 152%. Volume is around, let me just check, 10 million. Oh man, this one is going toward the $2.60 and the ultimate one is around the $4.60. Oh man, this one is pumping. This one is pumping really good. Yeah, $1.70 as a support, breakout zone. We already broke. We are halted officially around the $2.39. Houston, Texas, welcome, brother. Welcome. It's really crazy that internet make everything closer, you know. The fastness, like how far you are from us here in Europe is mind-boggling if you just think about the details, you know. Texas to Paris, man, how many thousands of kilometers, and we are just kind of annoyed by just a little few second lag. So this live streaming is just lagging almost like 30 seconds or 1 minute. Okay, so be careful. Some people, live streamers, get frustrated about this and get kind of annoyed by that. But if you think about it, before we send a pigeon, from country to country and waiting like for a messenger on horse or even sometimes running, that's why we have marathon. So this is crazy and mind-boggling, and now people are getting so frustrated by this little lag, 30 seconds and 1 minute, and never be grateful. Or they never actually think about the first principle thinking, because if you think of first principle everything, like how messages actually get through from point A to point B, you'll be really grateful. So now even 30 seconds or 1 minute, you should be grateful to say, oh man, back then you have to send the pigeons, or I don't know. This is really funny, but really interesting as well. So welcome from Texas. EBET on the move. EBET. AMD is still pumping. AMD. Okay, we're still holding. MSGM still holding. Zomedica. We have a pump for Zomedica. Okay, so Zomedica is on the move. Zomedica on the move, guys. Okay, MSGM is on the move as well. $31.50. I think it's halted again. MSGM is halted again. Okay, Zomedica on the move. 29. AMC hitting our scan. Okay, AMC is pumping. AMC is pumping officially. AMC is breaking our level of resistance as we discussed today. So we're gonna have a test today around the $6.54. $6.54 would be your first profit taking and rejection area for AMC. AMC is moving finally. As we said, this is the support. The last support for AMC to have a reaction, and that's what we have. We already talked about in the pre-market. AMC on the move. Let me just put it around the $6.54. So we have AMC, we have Zomedica. We got some stock is moving right now. Some stock is AMD moving. Zomedica is moving. EBET hit our first profit taking. Okay, EBET unhalted. And price got rejected right around our profit taking. $2.62. Right around our profit taking. And red candle forming. Great. First profit taken hit. Let me just check if we have another profit taken after this. The $4 is a bit far for my opinion. Let me just put it around the $3.17 and put it green. So yeah, we have another profit taken after the first one, the $3.17, then the $4.60. Zomedica still pumping. AMC is still pumping. EBET still pumping. Zomedica is a bit light on volume, you know, is a bit light. MSGM is still halted. MSGM is still halted. Thank you, brother. Thank you. You just hit the like button from the state. A big like from the state. Welcome, brother. Okay. Abe is shooting up, but we didn't get any we didn't get any notification, so yeah, it didn't shoot up. Still we have a test for this ascending line and pumping. Still Abe is still. AMC have a huge pump, 4%. Zomedica still pumping, great, 7% now. Okay, we might have a runner. Zomedica on the move. Zomedica 8%, 9%, and it's still pumping. Okay, this one is pumping as well. Let me just check. Yeah, we're gonna have a rejection right now around the 45. MSGM, potential rejection there. 45.96. Let me just lower this there. Okay. Potential rejection, guys. Potential rejection there. Boom. Watch out for the 45. A huge test right now. Huge test. Huge test around the 46. $39, $39, $45. Are we halted up as well right now? I think we halted around the 39. So after the unhalt, we're gonna have a test around the 45. This is it. So we have a suspension for MSGM. If you try to trade it, you're gonna have this message. Let me just show you. Trading with this instrument is temporarily suspended. Please try again later. So if you want to try this one, I don't know, let me know if you could actually trade this stock on your brokerage account. Let me know in comment section below, because it's suspended right now. After this huge manipulation and short open, some brokerage account actually suspend trading because it's really risky. They're losing money actually. EBET got shorted exactly around our first profit taken. As we said, the $2.17 is the breakout zone. The price bumped and got halted, then unhalting, the price went down 20% profit, then the price went down. EBET hit our first profit taken and went down, got shorted. Zomedica start to short now. AMC, yeah, struggling. And MSGM is suspended for many brokerage accounts, so you're just watching for it going up to the moon or going to the depths. Whatever the place it will go, you can't trade it. %. Yeah, really good. It's only up 0.20%. Yeah, Abe, already have alert, guys, so don't worry. If the stock bumped, we'll be first to know, okay? Like for this stock when bumped from our squeeze area, so we got alerted around the $2.17 and we took our profit around the $2.62. So don't be FOMO and let the price push for the stock to go higher. When the stock is ready to jump, we'll jump, okay? Now we have a reversal for EBET from the support. Zomedica is still struggling, 7%, and we have accumulation between the 27 and the 24. Now the price is pumping. The pump will happen around the 33 cents, the official pump. Okay, I forget to put alert for Zomedica around the 33. Let me just put it there, 32. We got a huge red, sea of red. Look at this list. Now it's turning kind of green for some of them. Like CVNA going green a bit. Okay, CVNA is still in bullish run, so it's doing all right. AMC 4%. Emulan, Zomedica, FUBO. Okay, FUBO waiting for this break around the $2.66. We already discussed it in our Hunter channel on Patreon. We did a video update for it. And we talk about the $2.66. Now $2.60, so it's about to squeeze. But the volume is a bit light. just below the $1. 1 million, I mean. Imagine the volume is $1. Would be really easily manipulated by anybody. Zomedica. I like this green candle. I like this one. I'm watching Zomedica. There's might a continuation for this price action. Zomedica, there is a potential. AMC is going back a bit. We need to test the $5.90 for potential squeeze. $5.90. So the game plan for AMC, we might see a bit selling pressure, okay, but we need to hold above this breakout zone. Continue toward the $5.90. This is a potential force signal for squeeze. The second one is the $6.54, which is the official squeeze for AMC. Zomedica looking good. Zomedica looking great. VS top gainer, we'll see. Yeah, VS is top gainer with 19 million worth of volume. After that we got EBET. Yeah, then MSGM, QNRX, MGAM, no. Let us check this one. Okay, got rejected around the $3.44, so kind of dicey. This one kind of dicey. I don't like it. Is a bit tricky. Okay, so we're going back. I think we're going back toward the support. If we found support around the $1.76, we're gonna have a break. And the after hours or in power hour, $5, $7.30. So this one looking interesting. Let me just put it on the watch list, VS, for potential trade later on. And let me just put it there. The other one we have some okay, FAZET. Let me just check this one. %. Okay. Interesting. So finally we have some a green candle forming and a huge volume after this red sea of red, because I think of the earnings, you know. So we have some news actually. MSGM is pumping 46. Oh man, it's pumping over the 46. This is madness. This stock is unrealistic, I'm just telling you. After the short, come on, we're gonna have a V-shaped recovery for this stock. This is madness after this huge selling pressure. No. Yeah, we're gonna get rejected now. Yeah, this is it. This is the rejection area, man. Zomedica got shorted. Holy moly, what's going on, man? Oh man, yeah, we got shorted. We have now confirmed W shape for Zomedica. There's a potential actually for squeeze, but we got shorted around this level. Let me just put this level there and put alert if we broke it. So yeah, the 29.50 and the 24 for Zomedica. MSGM got halted down. MSGM. As we said, we're gonna have the test for the 45.96, then we're gonna get rejected. We got rejected, all right. So the price will continue to go down to fill this support above the 27. We're gonna have a consolidation area here, as we said it before, the 28 and the 27 here. This is a consolidation area. You just take this off. So yeah, this is a really critical area to hold above the 24. You know what I'm gonna do? I will put another alert around the 47 maybe. Yeah, for a potential breakout from this level, and put it there. VS. Yeah, so for FAZED, it's looking kind of interesting because the volume is coming back for this stock after this huge short. But, you know, in the big picture, is still the short is controlling the stock, you know, still is controlling heavily the stock. So I'm watching for a potential reversal for this stock and going for a bullish momentum after the $2.44. Now is risky, you know. Now is kind of risky. Let me just put another level for break maybe and squeeze above the $1.05. Yeah, kind of around this level. Let me just check. Yeah, around the $1.09. Yeah, this is the first breakout zone toward the $2.44. And of course, there's profit taken there around the $1.48, and this is the second profit taken, $2.44, and squeeze area, of course, to enter bullish trend. Now it's still bearish. Below the $1.09 is crazy bearish for the stock. VS, the top gainer, 300%. We're watching for this one for a reversal. And of course, before I forget, I have to put alerts for this one for a breakout zone and support area to enter around the support and exit after the breakout. Interesting. 300% for the stock. We might see another pump for it later on in the power hour. AMC getting rejected, going down. You know what I'm gonna do? We have a level there to break. So we got actually rejected there. Okay, let me just put it there for potential squeeze around the $5.60. We need to retest this level to go toward the $5.50. Okay, so we have this reaction. We need to hold above this AMA that we already bounced from in pre-market, $2.20, to have this reaction going higher again. Test the $5.60, then squeeze toward the $5.50. This is really important level. So take AMC from the list. Zomedica. Zomedica is interesting play. You know what I'm gonna do as well? The 24 is still our support, either to short or buy again. So this level is really important to hold. Take it from the list. We have to focus on few. This is the trick in trading. You have to have the ability to delete some stock from your list and just focus on view. And this kind of skill is kind of save you a lot of time and energy, not even in stocks or trading or investment or money, but in daily life, by choosing the right car, choosing the right woman or guy, choosing what you're gonna eat for today. Is make life really simple if you know which what you want exactly and how you delete the other choices and make just one right choice. It's really hard, man. It's really hard with the life that we live right now. Many choices we have, many choices. You can't imagine. Like even for internet connection, you have many companies you can actually subscribe with, like laptops, cell phone. There's many choices, but many choices is equal with sadness and be not satisfied, because you have you think, oh, if I choose this stock, could have actually made 100% or 200%. If I choose this cell phone, oh, I might buy iPhone, the latest iPhone, but there's other one cheaper and better camera. There's a lot of choices you have to wait in your head. SOBR hit our scan. What's going on? SOBR breaking our support. So potential short opportunity for this trade. Yeah, shorting opportunity for this. We got rejected $1.90. Now breaking the $1.49. Anyway, as we said, choices, brother, choices. You have to be strict with your choices. You have to be fast. Don't contemplate too much, because if you contemplate on what if you choose this thing, you lose opportunity for another trade, or like another thing, like you lose time, so opportunity cost here. So always be quick to choose and be decisive. And if you choose the wrong stock, wrong house, wrong car, wrong girl, wrong guy, you just move on, and you just learn from your mistake and know what you did wrong from the last choice. This is it. This is what you have. It's probability and percentage wise, Make your life is really simpler, I think, if you just think mathematically about everything, like percentage wise. If you choose this, there's a probability of you actually gaining something or winning something, just think about it percentage wise. If there is 80% chance that this choice will be good, you just take it, EBET broke our support. So yeah, so this one hit our alert. We got in here, profit there, exactly around our profit, price shorted. And this is great example for always take profit on the first one. You don't hold, man, because this is what happened. Don't be fixated on the stock that jump almost 100%, 200% like MSGM, but just take your profit and exit, okay? This is really important. As we discussed before, do trailing stop or take at least 50% from your trade, okay? 50% is good. And let the other one go to the second profit taking. If we didn't go for the second profit taking, you exit around our support, as we said, the $2.17 as a breaking even. So you already took your 50% profit and from the trade. And if the other 50% didn't hit the second profit taken and went down below the support, you exit with the accumulated P&L will be positive. This is the most important thing, to be green in the last day when the trading session ends. Okay, VS is bouncing from our support. As we said, this should be the bottom. VS, possible trade. AI hit our scan. AI. Okay, AI on the move, hitting our breakout zone. AI hit our breakout zone. Let's watch AI for potential trade. $21, the breakout zone is around the 21.30. There's still struggle, there's a still struggle. Okay, MSGM is on the move. still try to break this breakout zone, the 47. We broke again. MSGM is breaking. But got halted again, I think. This is a really important level for the short sellers, you know. This is really important level for the short sellers. That's why they're still fighting. Okay, VS is on the move. VS is on the move. The top gainer for today. AI got shorted still around our breakout zone, the 2130. VS bounced from our support. As we said, this should be the bottom. EBET got shorted because we didn't hold the support, and we already hit our first profit taking, the $2.62. That's why we went down. Potential support right now is the $2.71. Here we should have a reversal. Here we should have a reversal. VS MSGM getting shorted right around our AMA. You see it here. There's a huge short. So this is it, man, for MSGM, for continue to go higher or getting shorted. This is it. Elmar, when you say snap, I thought like you saw something really crazy with the chart, and you say snap. It's like expression, you know, it's like crazy thing. I didn't think that you talk about in a stock. Okay, MSGM getting shorted right now around our resistance, the 47.47. As we said, this is a resistant area where the short will short again MSGM, and now we're getting shorted. We bounce right around our support, and that's why we have a reversal. First off, we talk about MSGM. It was around our watch list for today, and we said there's a flag and something about to happen, and this happened exactly, and we went down around our bottom area. That's why there's something about to happen. Before the market opened by 4 minutes, I think, we got shorted. Now the short is still heavily positioned around this area. Let us watch Zoom Medica for break for the 30 cent. AI still have a potential to squeeze around the 2130. 3130. This is it. VS is still going higher. AMD is still pumping. AMD 7% 30, looking good. AMD. We got great earnings. That's why the price is pumping. 2.28% suppress, and revenue we have 87 million suppress. So yeah, we got the earnings yesterday after hours. That's why we pumping almost 7% despite the bearish momentum for the whole market. And we got Nvidia as well. We got I think the earnings were, no, still we don't have the earnings, but semiconductors is really doing all right. We have a huge reversal for this year, maybe for Nvidia, AMD. So we're watching Nvidia, AMD for potential entering a bullish momentum for this year. Okay, MSGM got shorted right around our resistance 47.47, as we said it. You know what I'm gonna do now? I'm gonna put another level, 47.47, breakout zone, potential squeeze there. We're gonna watch for this level in power hour. We might retest it. Now, in the meantime, we're gonna have this box to be filled once again and accumulate. Here, this is the price value, at least for today. Accumulation there. Let me just put it there. Perfect. Okay, we're gonna go back in this box to fill it. EBET, okay, VS. Okay, VS is looking good now. Accumulating above our support. AI, no. Zomedica, no. So VS looking interesting. VS looking interesting. Oh, snap. Exactly. Okay, let me just check HKD. It's been a while. Last time we checked this heavy beast. Okay, HKD light on volume, just have a million. So HKD is sleeping, guys. It's sleeping. The giant is sleeping, still sleeping. We might have a huge pump after we clear the 1139, but now still sleeping. The giant of all giants last year, this was the biggest gainer, but now is the top loser. 0.00% for today. You can't beat that. You can't beat this performance. Zomedica got shorted. Now we have a potential for break. AI. So we got Zomedica potential break. AI potential squeeze. EBET, we already took this profit. So I don't know about EBET. Is kind of risky now. If we hold this support, we might have a reversal. Okay, this should be the support. You know what I'm gonna do? I will put alert just right below the support. If we hold it, we're gonna continue to go higher. Otherwise, we're gonna have a short. And the other one, $2. Perfect. MSGM getting shorted. VS. VS interesting. Let me just check. We might have something will happen there. Let me just check. Perfect. Interesting. So we're gonna update a chart for VS, maybe MSGM. The other stock like EBET, AI, and Zomedica. If we broke any level, we're gonna do the update here on our Patreon, because we always do chart analysis. You see here. And of course, we do it as well here on our Discord channel, where we do a lot of chart analysis here. So any update for any breakout zone after our live streaming, we're gonna put them on our Patreon and Discord. So stay tuned for that, for our hunters, for potential squeeze and entry for those volatile stock that we hunted for today. Let me just check. Boober Scoober. Nice name and nice picture with the cat. You are welcome, brother. You are welcome. FOMOing, buying FOMO with the FOMO kind of behavior make you lose a lot of money and getting frustrated because you break your strategy. So you have to put it in front of you, okay? Never run after the price. Let the price come to you. So this will fix the FOMO part, because you never run after the price will already run. You know, if it's already jumped 200%, 300%, don't buy in the middle. Buy around the support or the breakout zone. It will be safer because the stop loss will be less wider. But if you bought before you think about the stop loss or profit taking, you know what's gonna happen? You'll be like jumping from the airplane without parachute. Come on, man. If you want to jump, you have to be ready. You have to have a parachute. You have to be prepared before you jump. What's gonna happen now for VS? VS is getting shorted again. So yeah, I'm watching VS. MSGM got shorted, of course. EBET is still holding. AI still. Zomedica still. So yeah. Now we got low volume trade, low volume. The market is kind of anticipating for something about to happen. So now anticipation mode. Anticipation mode. Naim, he can actually hunt MSGM on Robinhood. Great. I think the suspension happened for the people who live in Europe, you know. So Naim, are you living in Europe or in America? If you're living in America because you use Robinhood, I think this is the issue just in European countries. Farida, AATR, BBIG. How about VS? Okay, Mike, GMBL. What's going on with GMBL? Okay, new member. We have a new member here. So let me just check GMBL. We already discussed it before, I think. So GMBL hit our profit taken around the 16. The price went down. Of course, so we already hit our profit taken around the 16. That's why the price went down. Let me just update our level here. We have another level to break. This level is already done. We have some level. Let me just check. It's dicey now. It's a bit dicey. Let me just put this there. Interesting. So we have to watch out for GMBL for the 17 cent for another break to go toward the 23 and above. In the meantime, we need to hold this current ascending line. You see here, not the ascending line, but our EMA. We need to have a bounce here. and hold above it. We don't want to have this reaction going until the 8 cent is a really weakness, you know. In the big picture, it's still a support. The 8 cent is the support. However, we need to bounce above this level to break the 17. Not going toward the 8 cent and accumulate for days or months. You know, we're gonna have low volatility there. But if we hold above the hour EMA, we're gonna have a huge volatility to break the 17. So this is really critical area right now after we got rejected. George, yeah, we still live. George, we still live, of course. I thought you said, "Are you alive?" Man, I've been kind of deceived by people just make the sentence really short. Once say snap, and I thought like say, "Oh snap," and I forget he talk about the stock. And now George said still alive. And I thought like, oh man, I'm still alive because I'm still breathing, but I was questioning myself. Am I alive? So I was questioning myself. Okay, still alive, of course. That rate at 13 p.m. Good. Most important. This is the most important thing, to be alive. The rest is extra. If you can't breathe and drink water, this is enough, you know. The other thing is extra. Fed rate is around the 13. Okay, which hour you think? 13 p.m. I think is is in America, so 9 a.m. Eastern time. So is after 4 hours maybe from now, maybe after hours when the market close. We have kind of two stocks. ATR, yeah. We already talked about ATR on our Patreon. So ATR looking good, Farida. Look, this still looking good because we're still holding this pattern, which is doing higher lows. You see here, we have a huge pump from the $1 around the 17th of January, huge pump. But it got shorted, but it's still doing higher lows, and the price is still holding now around $1.40. So there's a potential pump for ATR toward this box. So here we're gonna have a huge volatility if we broke this box around the $2. So we watch out for this level. Already put alert. Let me just put alert from below as well. Around this level, yeah. ATR, looking good. AI. Okay, AI on the move. There's a potential break for AI. I'm watching AI. VS looking good. Still holding above the support. Man, MSGM is crazy stock. So before the market open, as we discussed it, we're gonna have a huge volatility. After we break this flag, we discuss it in our pitch on here. When we discuss MSGM on our watch list, let me just check. Yeah, MSGM, we discussed this level. Let me just watch if we see when we actually discuss MC. Oh yeah, we discussed this level. You see, we have the flag. We discussed it in the pre-market watch list, and we said we're gonna have a huge pump up or down if we broke from this level. You see. If we broke up, we're gonna go toward the 87, of course. If we broke it down, we're gonna have the level around the 27. We have even the box around this level. So this is what happened. We were ready to pump. You see here, we said we're gonna have a reversal around the 32 and the 27, and we're gonna if we don't hold the 47, we're gonna go toward this box. You see, around this level, the $27. So this was a great reversal area for us, because the price went right around our box around the 27. We dipped below it, of course, around the 23, because this is FOMO selling, and the price went higher, and we said there's a rejection around the 47, and the price got rejected. So yeah, it was a great hunt from above, then down, and above and down. So you see, you have to be strategic, because once we broke down, you could actually short this stock, and once we reversed from our box from below, you buy the dip, then you sell again around the 47, and the price went down. So this is good. You buy, you sell, you sell, you buy, you buy, you sell, you sell, you buy. So you don't just watch, you have to take profit, exit, enter, exit, enter. Yeah, MSGM is going to fill this back around this box. We're gonna have a filling for this box. AI still. AI is getting near the breakout zone. Welcome elite. GSAT. Let me just check GSAT very quick. But we have to be strategic. AI, Zoomedica, ATER. I'm watching those closely. VS is pumping. Let's see GSAT. GSAT. What's going on? Okay, the $1.20 is still elite, is our support. If we don't want to go toward the 86 breakout zone, we already discussed before and have alert around it. The $1.50, we got rejected before and the price went down. However, we're still doing higher lows from below, so this is a good reaction for GSAT, you see. So we need to continue to do this level of reaction to break this time. And profit taken next time, which should be the $1.80. So this is profit taken, this is the breakout zone, and this is the current support and this support. We have two support, the $1.20 and above this ascending line. The best case scenario is holding above this ascending line to have the faster squeeze. But the volume is light for GSAT. Okay, we're gonna do a video for today to wrap up our video and update for tomorrow's stock that we're gonna hunt around 8 p.m. CET. and we're gonna do a short analysis update for the stock that have potential to squeeze. We might have a squeeze for AI, okay? And the other one, MSGM, we have to have updated chart. So stay tuned for this updated chart on our Patreon and Discord for our members, okay? Thank you for watching. We're gonna do live streaming tomorrow at this, as usual, around 3 p.m. CET or 9 a.m. Eastern time. Pre-market to discuss the stock that have potential to squeeze, like MSGM for today, and AI and EBET when we hunted for it around this breakout zone, the $2.17. We already took our profit around the $2.62, and the price now holding above our support as we discussed the $1.70. Now we're gonna have a reversal and test for the $2.17. So stay tuned for this update for EBET and our Patreon and Discord. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next update. Denise, our Discord is you get it automatically when you sign up with our Patreon. So when you sign up with our Patreon, you get the link, the exclusive link to our Discord. So yeah. And the Patreon is in comment section below. If you have any question, and if you don't know how to join, just send me a message toward trading.jesus.contact@gmail.com. So you can send me a question regarding Discord and how everything works on this email. Okay, this is the only thing you can actually contact me with. And in the comment section, there is a lot of spammers, so don't reply on the other spammers that think they will give you an investment advice or anything. Don't reply on anybody. This is a spam, okay, and a scam. The only way to contact me is by this business email, which is trading.jesus.contact@gmail.com. If you have any question regarding Discord, Patreon, and how to join and how everything works, you just send me a message. I will reply as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next update.